We've all heard the metal straw, don't forget to recycle, and don't litter rant, but I'm here to talk about something different. I'm here to talk about mushrooms. And no, it's not this kind of mushroom. I'm talking about mushrooms that can help clean up the earth. Mycologists have discovered that mushrooms have the special capability to break down the carbon bonds in petroleum-based oils. This means that the mushrooms can actually soak up the oil spills, break down the oil, and then do it all over again. This was tested by spreading mushroom spores all over a mound of dirt. The mushrooms had grown to full size within 6 weeks, and within those 6 weeks, they had soaked up all the petroleum oils, broke it down, and once they had rotted, it created room for birds, insects, and other things to come onto that dirt and create a little ecosystem. Mushrooms actually have the special capability to biosynthesize their own food from agricultural crop residue. After a wildfire in Sonoma County, a group of fire remediation experts, local businesses, and ecological activists made a plan to clean up the foundations of burned down buildings with mushrooms. They placed more than 40 miles of straw-filled snake-like tubes designed to prevent erosion inoculated with oyster mushrooms around parking lots, roads, and across hillsides. The tubes will create channels that bring the toxic ash to the mushrooms, and then the mushrooms will go to work eating up all of the bad stuff in the ash. On top of helping the environment, they can also help you. There are many species of mushroom that are superfoods. Some may help you with skincare, digestion, immune system, or even slow down the process of Alzheimer's. The best part about these mushrooms is you won't even have to taste them because you don't have to eat them whole. You can purchase large bags of mushroom powder that you can scoop into your drinks, meals, or morning coffees. Many of them boost your immune system, relieve stress, and can even reduce the risk of cancer. Even if you don't want to spend the extra cash to get the mushroom powder, you can get a very good low-calorie source of fiber from just normal mushrooms that you could buy from the grocery store. One specific fungi that is well known for its medicinal properties is the reishi mushroom. This mushroom can aid in relieving stress, anxiety, depression, and can increase focus. The lion's mane mushroom contains myelin, which is the insulation around the nerve fibers, and it can clear up your brain fog, increase your memory, and it has contributed to research about helping patients with multiple sclerosis and Alzheimer's. This is thought to be because the fibers and roots of mushrooms are identical to how our nerves and veins grow. The roots of the mushrooms are called mycelium. Mycelium is under our feet everywhere we step. And mycelium can be used to create foams for packing, synthetic leather, building materials, and even insulation for homes. And all of these products would be completely 100% sustainable. Many mushrooms are actually a very good source of vitamin D. And when the mushroom is exposed to ultraviolet light, it will produce even more vitamin D. You should always buy your mushrooms unless you know what to look for as far as picking them, because you could end up with something poisonous or something with psilocybin in it. Psilocybin is the compound in magic mushrooms that gives them their psychedelic qualities. There are many mushrooms that look extremely similar to those that might be edible, so you must be very careful.